In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Supertrend Indicator. The Supertrend is a simple, visual trend-following tool that rides along your price chart and changes color as momentum shifts. It's designed to help you quickly see whether buyers or sellers are in control and where a potential trend reversal might occur. You won't need any complex calculations or settings to get started. Just follow along. First, open a chart on TradingView. Choose any market you want to analyze, like a stock, crypto pair, or forex symbol, and pick a time frame that matches your style. Shorter time frames react faster but can be noisier, while higher time frames smooth out signals and reduce whipsaws. With your chart visible, you're ready to add the indicator. Next, click Indicators at the top of the screen. This opens the indicator library, where you can search the full catalog of built-ins and community scripts. You'll see a search bar at the top of the panel. Type Supertrend into the search bar. Several results may appear, but the one you want is the Supertrend that's published by TradingView. That version is stable, widely used, and integrates cleanly with the platform's default settings. Select the Supertrend indicator. The moment you add it, a colored line will overlay your price chart. Typically, the line turns green when the trend is up and red when the trend is down. You may also see visual labels that mark when the line flips direction. This flip happens when price moves far enough against the prior trend, based on volatility, to suggest a meaningful shift. Here's how to read it. When price is trading above the supertrend line, the market is considered to be in an upswing. Staying above the line supports the bullish case. When price drops below the line, the trend is treated as down, and staying below it reinforces bearish momentum. If price keeps darting back and forth through the line, the market is likely choppy, so treat signals with extra caution. A quick tip on expectations. The supertrend is best used as a trend filter or confirmation tool, not a standalone system. It can help you stay on the right side of the market, but no indicator eliminates risk. Always consider your time frame, the broader context, and your risk management rules. That's it. With the supertrend now on your chart, you have a clear, no-nonsense view of market direction you can reference every time you trade.